Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I was recently maintaining fairly new vehicle in my shop and this was the new thing I had to order. This was the new oil I had to order from the dealer to do that service correctly. I'm sure absolutely everybody is familiar with our full synthetic 0W-16, which is being used in so many vehicles on the market. That's nothing new to you, and we will be not making any detailed videos about this, but this some of you, I'm assuming, never even heard of. So I decided to contact Toyota, hear from them what they say about this relatively brand new product, and educate you and myself and make a video about it. Well, let's go first and see what is in the package, huh? So, our future is here, guys. Future is here. Full synthetic 0W-16. I will show you the packaging, how it looks like. Oh, that glare always, huh? It will be always a problem. So very simple, I will say. This is the back of the bottle. And basically, here we are. It's a 1 US quart, right? Here in the United States. It has a logo, 2020 Toyota Motor Sales USA Incorporated, SAE 0W-16, certified for gasoline engines. And there is obviously a lot of speculation on internet and a lot of opinions about it, which everybody can read themselves. That's why I contacted Toyota. So, from Toyota Products, the senior manager Nathan Kokesh sent me some info. Thank you, Nathan. I appreciate it. And basically, there was a bunch of brochures. Now, this oil, what vehicles, right? What vehicles is it used? It looks like it started in the model year 19. In the model year 2019, there were first vehicles which are using this oil. And in general, it's in Avalons, Camrys, Corollas, Highlanders, Priuses, RAV4s, Siennas, and Benzas so far. And I printed out one of the brochures Nathan sent me. And right here on the front, there is that quick info. So, product benefits, maximize engine efficiency and fuel economy. Outstanding low temperature capabilities. Makes sense, right? It's a super thin oil, so if you will be in the freezing temperatures, it should be better than the thicker oils. Outstanding thermal and oxidation stability. Another quick benefit here is the gas tank. We have a gasoline prices crisis, I will say. Here in California, the gas $6, diesel is $7 per gallon. So here, as a fuel consumption, why 0W-16? GTMO 0W-16 fuel economy benefits are the driving factor in introducing this new grade. That's what this brochure right here on the side says. 0W-16, this one, and 0W-20 are the only oils with projected growth over the next 15 years. Wow, very interesting. Okay, that was the front. Now we have a lot of detailed info on the back. And I will try my best not to bother you with some empty sentences. So let's go through it quick. Why is Toyota implementing a new motor oil with the viscosity grade of 0W-16? Well, Toyota has been using 0W-16 in Japan for the last 2 years, and the benefits of this lower viscosity product were determined to benefit vehicles in North America as well. What benefit is 0W-16 grade providing to consumers, meaning you guys? Genuine Toyota motor oil 0W-16 is made with specially selected base stocks and additives to provide improvements in fuel economy. Good. It is estimated that there is a 1% fuel economy benefit to the consumer when using the genuine Toyota motor oil 0W-16. So, and that was in comparison with 0W-20 engine oil. Results may vary based on vehicle engine condition and driving and environmental conditions, da-di-da-di-da. So did you just hear that? 1% difference in possibly in fuel economy over 0W-20. And if it's only 1%, it's a questionable if it's really good idea to pay so much more money for this, because this is not cheap. This is, I believe, most expensive engine oil they are offering than over normal 0W-20. But again, we are in fuel prices crisis, and maybe actually this can save you some money. Genuine Toyota motor oil 0W-16 is synthetic motor oil. What are the benefits of synthetic over mineral-based oil? Synthetic motor oils are formulated to provide benefits beyond conventional mineral-based motor oils. They help extend engine life, provide protection against sludge, extremely important, engine rust and corrosion, and allow for easy starting and rapid oil circulation during cold starts to protect critical parts. I fully agree on that with Toyota and with whoever created this info. I stopped using conventional oils, even for older Toyotas, long time ago. In my shop, right behind me on the shelf, I carry only full synthetic oils, nothing else in my shop. No blends and no conventional. So yeah, I fully agree with them. The sludge in the engines, it's a big problem. We know some V6s has a 1MZFE, right? Is it V6, 1MZFE? They had a typical sludge buildup. They were using conventional. I will always, if I buy one, I will switch carefully to the full synthetic and keep using only that with short intervals. And I believe that helps to prolong the life of the engine greatly. What should a customer do who has used engine motor oil 0W-16 in vehicle that does not call for 0W-16 motor oil grade? Well, why the heck you will do that? It's so much more expensive. Why you will do that? I will read what they say, but this is kind of nonsense. The consumer should visit the nearest Toyota dealership and request an oil change. Genuine Toyota motor oil 0W-16 may not provide sufficient oil film thickness at high operating temperatures to fully protect against the wear, which may be harmful to the engine. So basically what I say, don't think you will grab this and put it in that old V6. You can't do that. If that V6 was made for 5W30 conventional, you can start using 5W30 full synthetic, but don't think, oh, I will fix it up. I have a sludge, I will fix it up with this. So I guess they are right to point it out that you should not do that. I understood it. They thought it will be somebody's mistake. What should a customer do if they are in need of 0W-16, basically if you have the modern vehicle. But this grade is not available, and it's already written in the owner's manual in your glove box, but let's read it from here. Use of higher viscosity oil, 0W-20, in a vehicle designed for 0W-16 will not harm the engine. Boop, 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 boop. Did you hear that? If you are described 0W-16, and I read somebody's comments like, well, I don't care about it, I will use the 0W-20. So the first sentence here says, will not harm the engine. But always comes the however, right? However, federal fuel economy testing for the vehicle was performed using 0W-16 engine oil. Use of higher viscosity oil will result in greater fuel consumption than that advertised for the vehicle. That's my wife, I better answer. Sorry. Hey, boo-boo. Okay, where we got interrupted, guys, huh? I see it right here. So, they say it was performed on the 0W-16. Then it continues. Use of higher viscosity oil will result in greater fuel consumption than that advertised for the vehicle. But the greater means maybe 1%, right? It is recommended that the customer, not consumer, visit their Toyota dealership and request an oil change using genuine Toyota motor oil 0W-16 and spend some money, yeah, on the oil change. Yeah, they're good. If a different grade of motor oil was previously used. Can genuine Toyota motor oil 0W-16 be used where another branded 0W-16 is recommended? Genuine Toyota motor oil 0W-16 is approved by the American Petroleum Institute against the latest gasoline specifications. This motor oil can be used where an APISN motor oil with 0W-16 viscosity is recommended. What package styles will be available to purchase? For you or me, I guess, huh? Initially, in beginning, genuine Toyota motor oil 0W-16 will be available in 1-quart bottles, and for you hoarders, 55-gallon drums. So yeah, you can buy a 55-gallon drum and have it in the garage for the future apocalypse, right? Well, I hope you have no more questions, my friend, because it took me a while to find these names and get in contact with Toyota through the Nathan Kokesh. Took me a while to get all this info. Here, have these samples for you. So I hope I answered all your questions, speculations, and worries. I think, yeah, that's a future. Toyota and other makers will be putting it in more and more engines. And it can save you a little bit of gasoline. It's a good startup in the cold weather. It has a bunch of good features. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumb up, please. And stay tuned. I will always have a lot of stuff for you on this channel. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, my friend.